Here I am on a trail. That's a little tiny fire we had last week. And I'm just going to clean up branches here now. And then I'm going to work my way through a spot where a bunch of trees were blown over. As you can see, it's pretty thick in here. You go up that direction and it opens up a bit. It's actually a really nice spot. A nice spot for a cabin, nice flat ground. It's trees, big trees like around that size. I'd say bigger. You know, it's not big by no means compared to some trees, but you know, compared to that little one, I mean, it's not a little baby tree, is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, got some more branches down right here. I'm gonna put those on the side of the trail. We got these around. We got little spots all around where we're cutting. We'll throw them in on the side. We can burn those branches later, or whatnot, the bigger ones. So that's it. We're not hurting the woods. We're just taking out windfalls, cleaning up a trail, you know, taking off the overgrowth, and if anything, it'll help this overgrown forest where everything is so tight. It'll actually, once this is opened up, even open up to what it is here now, it'll probably, stuff will start to shoot up even faster. It might even, the stuff might grow faster because the light's getting down here, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna come back with some new videos soon, relaxation videos. I just want to show you some shots of nature here, just to give you an idea. Nature is everywhere. It's all kinds of beautiful things around. There's a chipmunk. Those beautiful scenes I show you of the ocean, streams, that's really great and wonderful. In addition to that, I just want to get people, they see those videos of just the one shot, you know. I see millions of people, 50 million people watching a shot of a beach. It's beautiful, I love it. But I want to give people the real experience of being in nature. It's when you walk in there, and look, squirrels jumping around from tree to tree, birds, you hear the wind. It's also about getting in there and doing what you want. Walking, sitting down, cooking up, riding your bike, whatever you want to do. You just got to take it in. Well, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you soon. Take care.